building?
Hmm?
What's this big building?
Those are called skyscrapers.
Skyscraper?
Mm-hmm. Because they scrape the sky. They're so high up, they scrape the sky.
Let's have a pillow lamp.
Oh, can I do that too?
Yeah, this desk can read it.
Yeah, that looks comfortable.
Can I do it, Mommy?
Okay.
You know, lay on the pillows. Cheese.
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 Liz.
Now we're going to do this.
Yeah.
Want to do this one now?
Yeah. Look at all those trucks going so fast.
Yeah.
And the taxi, and the limo, and the bus. Looks like Blue is overwhelmed. Man,
Who was
this
that?
city is fast.